Hey guys, so so I hope you have installed the Python in your system, also the PyCharm, and I have prepared this PPT. So every variable is connected to a value, which is the information associated with a variable. So if you want to store any value, so you can use the variable to store that value, and you can use that variable anywhere in your program. So variable names can only have letters, number, and underscore. So we have discussed, like, while defining the variable name, you have to start that variable name either with the letter or with the underscore, but you cannot use the number as the starting of your variable name. Okay, in variable, spaces are not allowed. Okay, and if you want to define any variable, so avoid using the Python keyword or function in the variable name. So suppose if you have defined a variable with name print, so print is already defined in Python to print anything. So you shouldn't use that as a variable. So for loop, so for is already defined in Python for for looping purpose. So you shouldn't give your variable name as for. Otherwise, you can use anything. So let me give a one example, simple example. So I'm just writing down here alpha, alpha. In alpha, let's suppose we have stored a name. TWP. Bear with my handwriting. I am just start using that pen tab. Yeah. So as defined, so I have created a variable alpha, and in that variable I have stored this value for the. So if I want to use that name anywhere in my program, so I just need to use that variable name. So I do not have to write down every time Pradeep, but I can use that variable whenever I require. Okay, so next page. So variable are, I think, shorted. Now strings are kind of data type. So strings are nothing but a series of characters. So anything which define like PAR, DWP, so this is a string. So anything with series of character is defined as string.